Hello dear friends, welcome to our channel HR and Labor Laws Advisor. Today we will understand that how we can fill the form 15G. Here you are in front and on your screen. So this form is used to save the TDS, 10% TDS you can save by submitting this form with your PF withdrawal claim online in your member login portal. When you submit form 19, this form is required to submit. So before filling this form, just keep ready your PAN card, address proof and PF account passbook. Okay, so let's start. On point number 1, you can see on your screen, we are starting this form. So name of SSE declarant means your name exactly, even the spelling must be same as printed on your PAN card. Second point, PAN of the SSE means your PAN number as printed on your PAN card. On third point, status, you have to write here individual. Okay. On fourth point, previous year for which declaration is being made. So you have to enter here previous year, like we are in September 20, and what is the previous year? That is April 19 to March 20. That is, you have to write here 2019-20. On fifth point, residential status, you are and we are all are residents, so you have to write here resident. Clear? On point number 5, you have to write resident. Point number 6 to 12, you have to write your address. So take your address proof in your hand and write correct address as printed on your address proof. Your house number, locality, district, town, city, state and PIN code. In 13 number, you have to write your email address. On 14 point, just give your mobile number if you have landline number, so also mention landline number with your mobile number. Now the 15 point, this is the important one. Whether assessed to tax under the Income Tax Act 1961. If yes, so latest assessment year for which assessed in point number B. So means if you have been assessed under Income Tax Act in any year, so you have to tick on yes and you have to provide the details for the particular year for which you have been assessed under Income Tax Act. And if you have not been assessed, so is simply tick on no. Okay, tick no box here on 15 number point. Now 16 number point, this is also an important one. Estimated income for which this declaration is made. Okay, so this is the declaration. The form is asking for the declaration amount for which you are applying for this form. Why you are submitting this form? For this amount. So this is printed on your PF passbook. Just see here employee share and employer share. Total of this amount you have to write on 16 number point. Okay, 1,23,684 is 12% of yours, that is deducted. So right here the total of both payments, your and your employer, on point number 16. Now in point number 17, what is it? Estimated total income of the previous year in which income mentioned in column number 16 to be included. Okay, means your estimated previous year total income, okay, that what you earned in previous year, total of 12 months plus 16, point number 16 amount also to be included, to be added on that total year of income. Got it? So just write here the income. For example, like your salary is 9,000, so 1,08,000 is your previous income, and for example you are applying for 70,000 PF accumulation withdrawal. So both total of both 1,08,000 plus 70,000 means 1,78,000 you will write here in point number 17. Okay, done. Now come to the point number 18. Details of form number 15G other than this form filed during the previous year, if any. If you filed any other 15G form the previous year, so you have to give you the details here. If not filed, so right here, not applicable. Clear? Now come to the point number 19. Details of income for which the declaration is filed. So mention for which we are filing. We are filing for PF withdrawal. Okay. And serial number. Mention serial number as one. Identification number of relevant investments or accounts. Mention your UN number here, that is your identification number. So write your UN number under identification number of relevant investment / count. Under serial number write 1 in point number 19. Then in the third column, nature of income, right here PF withdrawal. Section under which tax is deductible, you have to write here 192A, under section 192A. Okay. Amount of income, what amount you have to enter here, that you entered in column number 16. The exact amount is to be entered here. Okay. Just enter the same amount as in column number 16. Do your signature here in place of signature of the declarant. Now we have come to the declaration verification part. So write your name here, your name, and all these details. This is your declaration, that whatever details you are submitting in this form are correct. Okay, you are giving declaration of yours here. In the declaration part on line number 6, it can be differ line in other formats, but here in declaration part on line number 6 you have to enter for the previous year ending on 31st March 2020 relevant to the assessment year. What will be the assessment year? 2020 to 21. Okay, April 22, March 21. So you have to write here 22, 21 will be nil, and further again you have to enter for the year ending 31st March 2020 and relevant to the assessment year 2020 to 21 will not exceed the maximum amount which is not chargeable to income tax. Okay. Now place your district, date on which you are filing this form, and signature of yours, signature of the declarant. Okay. So this type you can fill this form and submit with online PF withdrawal form. So dear friends, just subscribe our channel, so because you will get the important videos further. So please share and subscribe.